Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video explaining how somebody made this with polygons. But then I started thinking about it'd be a lot easier just to take a 2-point line and make it quite a bit longer and hold down the control button so they're perpendicular. And then I just picked a number of 1.75. Let's just get this out of the way. And then Control D and nudge it over using your right arrow key and make quite a few, almost make a rectangle or a square. Control G to group them, Control D to duplicate them, and then rotate them 60 degrees. Control D to, that's one reason I don't like Control D all the time. Control D to duplicate them and mirror them. You've got the same look. Probably a little faster, and if you didn't watch the first video, it was about drawing in 3D. So do like your top, if you were going to do like a rectangle, do like your top layer that you wanted to do first, and then come across, and this is unrehearsed, and then take a different color, and we'll make it lighter, and then you can do your down, and you could make it as tall, or you could actually make it actually a little bit taller, and just go around in things you know that you can see, to make it look like it's 3D, three-dimensional. And then, of course, you just grab all that, take it out of the way, and we talked about this in the other video, and then I'm going to right-click no outline, but there are still lines there in this particular case. But we showed in the other video how to correct that. That was the main reason for the video. But this is a pretty unique way to draw stuff. A lot easier than drawing stuff another way. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.